Exposing the secret to business growth. It's not just about capital, it's about finding the right partner. Discover how YF Solutions Group can power your success. Running a business isn't easy, but getting the funding you need shouldn't be hard. YF Solutions Group is dedicated to empowering business owners across the US with tailored funding and credit solutions. No cookie-cutter loans here. Their expert team understands your unique challenges, offering personalized options to fuel your growth. Worried about your credit? YF Solutions Group offers a pre-approval process that won't impact your credit score, so you can explore possibilities with zero risk. Integrity, transparency, and reliability aren't just buzzwords. They're the foundation of everything YF Solutions Group does. From startups to seasoned businesses, they're with you every step of the way, providing expert support and real solutions. Don't settle for generic lenders. Partner with a team that's invested in your success. YF Solutions Group. Ready to grow? Visit yourfundingsolutions.com and let's move your business forward together.